In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10 for product research. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and sign into your account on Helium 10, and then for this, we're going to be using a black box. Now, you want to go and hover over products up top over here, and then inside Discover Products Opportunities, you will see Find Products to Sell, and then here, you can click on this link, this button, and it's going to take you directly inside their black box. This is where you can basically do your product research, and you can find opportunities for selling different things. Now, on here, the first thing you want to do, you have to answer the questions to find the product. So here, first you have to select your marketplace. For me, it's going to be Amazon.com. You can select a different one if you want, and if you actually want to sell there. And then you can decide if you want a simple overview of all this, which is looking like this, or if you want the advanced one, where basically you have to put in a lot of different information. And if you are just starting out with this, I would definitely recommend the simple one to begin with. Now, here you then have to pick up 3 areas you're familiar with. So for example, the niches you want to go into and sell in. So let's say we're going to go ahead and do, for this instance, let's do some electronics. And then we're going to go inside camera and photo. And here I'm going to go ahead and do bags and cases. I'm going to do film photography and then digital cameras as well. So after you do this, you can go ahead and set your price range. So as you can see, it's going to give you a suggestion. So suitable over here is going to be over 50, but you're free to basically pick whichever you want. Then the product size. So for example, if your product fits into a shoebox, click yes. If it doesn't, click no. For us, we're going to do yes. And over here, you can see kind of the dimensions. And here you can see the competition. So how competitive do you want the niche to be? I'm going to do moderate over here because I do not want much competition. However, some is fine. It's up to you what you put here. And then you can see the monthly revenue. So if you could make this much dollars in monthly sales, that would make you smile. Here you have to basically type in your preferred monthly revenue. I'm going to just put in $1,000 for now. Here, click on the search button. And then what's going to happen is it's going to basically go ahead and find all the different product ideas via which you can then do your product research. So as you can see over here, it's going to spit out a bunch of different things, and there's like 10 pages of it right now. And you can go ahead and see the price, the parent level sales, the ASIN sales, the parent level revenue, ASIN revenue, and then the reviews as well. And you can even go to the right to see sellers, seller countries, brands, etc. And there's so many things you can actually do using Helium 10. And then of course, you can just go ahead and do your product research with that. You can research different things showing on here, and then of course, whenever you are ready to take the next steps, you can go ahead and do that too. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.